everybody, today I have a new recipe to show you guys. Can you know this everyone? This is we call blood. Today I'm going to grill this blood with green onion and also chili too. This is a new recipe and it is very yummy cooking. So if you want to know clear about how many recipes and how many ingredients of it, so please continue to watch my video. Garlic everyone. Then we cut chili step by step like this. Green onion everyone. Everyone, first we cook the blood to reduce the dirty of it. Maybe we cook maybe 5 minutes, so we can take it to fry. Everyone, so it's nearly to be already cooked, and if it's already cooked, we will take it to fry everyone. Everyone, this is we already cooked, but we will take this to fry again. Everyone, so now we start to fry. Oil. Then we put garlic and also chili. Sugar everyone. Oysters juice. Fish sauce everyone. Then it is the time to put blood. we add a little the water, everyone. Then we continue to cook maybe 10 minutes later so we can eat. Holy basil. So now we add holy basil to be delicious. Wow, it smells so good, everyone. So now our food is already cooked, so now we can eat. So let me eat and eat with me, everyone. It smells so good, but we do not know yet about its taste. So let's taste and eat with me, everyone. Eat with me, everyone. The best taste, everyone. It's really good. Yummy. Everyone, you can learn to cook it by yourself at your home by look at our recipe in my video. Our recipe is really yummy. When we do follow me, so it is really yummy. It's really hot because of chili. It is just my tasting, everyone. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye, everyone. So let me say goodbye, and don't forget, help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more about new recipe, to see more about delicious food and the landscape like this, to show you more for other video and for the next video. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.